If you wondered how to transform your digital creation into a steady stream of income, whether you are a designer, writer, or educator, Payhip offers a seamless platform to sell your digital products and reach a global audience. Imagine earning money while you sleep with your ebooks, courses, and digital art flying on virtual shelves. Join me as we dive into the step-by-step process of setting up your Payhip store, creating irresistible products, and implementing marketing strategies that convert. Get ready to unlock your potential and watch your digital empire grow. So first of all is you have to open your web browser and dive into payhip.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see here, we have a various things like we have here features you sell. We have digital downloads, online courses, coaching, memberships, physical products. About grow, we have store builder, payments, VAT and taxes, marketing tools, email marketing. We have your terms, customers, pricing, blog, marketplace. We have your login or sign up, get started for free. Then we have here sell digital downloads, courses, and coaching, and more from one simple platform. Make it easy for you to sell anything online anywhere. Here you write your email and get started for free. Here we have all-in-one platforms, everything you need to start, scale, and manage your business. First, we have digital dollars, online courses, coaching, memberships, physical products. So about digital dollars, we have sell any type of digital dollar such as ebooks, for software, design assets, templates, video, music, and more. If you can't save it, you can sell it. So what you have to do is write your email here. Then we have your first name. You write your first name, last name, write your email, choose password, and create account. So if you have an account, all you have to do is click over login here and write your email and password. So this is the home page. Here we have the first thing. We are in the dashboard. We have here products. Then we have store. We have analytics, marketing, customers, notification, and finally we have accounts, settings, store builder, video library, export marketplace, logout, user pay as creator, mode, customer mode. We have here filter orders. So it's back to the dashboard. We have here welcome to Payhip. We have taken the first step to sharing your work with the world. Take a few more things off your to-do list and keep up to momentum. So we do have completed 25% of your store steps. So what is this 25% that it was completed? So it's for sign up and go to the home page here. Then we have 3 steps to do, and it's important to get started. First is add the first product, then set up checkout and customer store design. So the first one, add first product. All you have to do is click over store here. We have your store, control all aspects of your store look and fill by using the powerful store builder. We have your store, both store, blog post, and domain, as you can see. So all you have to do right now is click over launch your store builder. And please add your first product before customizing your store design. Click over add first product, and we have here a type of product. We have digital product, course, membership, physical product, coaching service, bundle. So we select the first one, still ebook, software, and other things. We have here add new digital products first. To start selling, put your product files, then enter the price, cover image, and a description. So you upload product file, then you write your product title. So for example, your product, then you select the price, then you add image or input audio, video. So you can just use canva.com. This is my account. If you don't have an account, all you have to do is sign up. It's easy and it's free. Also, then you click over customize size and you click over 1920 px. Then here you will find a various things and a various image of your product, and you select the one you want. You click over research and you select the one you want. So for example, let's choose this one. Let's choose this one. So you can delete this, you can do what you want, you can add image, you can edit image, you can flip, you can animation, you can modify background color, we can modify the position and a lot of other things. You can delete this one. As you can see, I will delete it. Then also you can presenter notes, duration, show timer. Also you can zoom, you can also add comments, and the first thing you can modify to create your own product. Then you upload a product image. Finally, here we have the description. Add a description for your product. Type your description here. So all you have to do is go to ChatGPT and start now and ask ChatGPT how to write a description. It gives you a various description because you can copy the one and paste it here. Then we have visibility here. Should your store visitors be able to see this product? First we have visible, everyone can see this product. Second one, nobody except you can see this product. The last one, only people who know the direct link to this product can see it. So let's choose the first one because we want to sell it. Then you click over add products, ready to start selling your product. So we click over add product and the first step is done. Then click over start checkout. So this is the second step. Account settings, edit your account details here such as payment details, name, valid limits, etc. So we have your two options. We have PayPal account and Stripe account. Please log in security with PayPal below to start accepting payments. Click over link PayPal as you can see. Second one, we have Stripe account. To get started with Stripe payments, click the button below, then you click over accept payments with Stripe. So also you have your default currency, you can select the one you want, then enter statement description, and finally save settings, and the second step is done. And then we have the last one, we have custom store design. It is the look and feel of your online store, add your logo, colors, and image to match your brand. Then you click over customize design to modify all things you want, logo, colors, image, and create your own product. So you have learned how easy it is to create and sell digital products on Payhip. From setting up your store to marketing your creations effectively. Now it's time to take action and turn your passion into a profitable business. With the tools and strategies you have gained, you can confidently navigate the world of income stream. Don't wait, start your journey on Payhip today and watch your dreams of digital success become a reality. Creative empire awaits. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.